everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video as a full-time reseller, so I am excited. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Christy. I am now a full-time reseller. I have been a part-time reseller for the last 3 years and just went full-time. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of hopefully a new supplier for me for a company called Wholesalez with a Z. I did watch Family Flips videos of their unboxings from the same company, and they seem to get some really great stuff in those boxes. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. They're awesome. If you're a reseller and you sell anything other than clothes, those boxes are really great. But I don't sell, those electronics and gadgets and things. So I went onto the website just to see if they had anything other than that available, and they did. So they do also sell clothing. They have clothing pallets, clothing boxes, and so I am going to unbox. Sorry, my husband just walked by. So I am going to unbox this for you guys and see. They did say it's partially unbranded clothing and branded clothing from Nordstrom, Macy's. And so we're just going to look through this and see if it's something that I can continue purchasing or if there's too many unbranded items and not worth it. So the whole entire box cost $351. So that's $3.51 a piece. And so we're just going to start going through this stuff, seeing what's in there. So let's see. This is an O'Neill. So if I can take it, if I can't tell what it is without opening the bag, I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. If I can tell what it is without opening it, then we're gonna do it that way, so I can take this up to my room easier. Because right now I'm doing this in my living room. I normally unbox in my room upstairs. That's for eBay, but this box is too heavy for me to get up there. So this is SPF 50 ultraviolet protection from O'Neill. So it's like just a T-shirt. So I'm gonna put all the branded on my left, all the unbranded on my right, and we're gonna see which pile is bigger. So here is a box of Calvin Klein underwear for men, but it looks like it's missing one. It's a 3-pack, but missing one. So we will see if I can find the other one. If not, I'll just try to sell it as a 2-pack and just lower the price. Here is a Lee Riders. I'm assuming it's a men's white dress shirt. Could be women's, not sure.
Yeah, in the garage.
You can bring her back in. Here is a maiden form racerback bra that is got lace on it. Here is another bra. It is a woman's Calvin Klein bra. So far, nothing unbranded. That's good. This is a shirt for men, but I can't see the brand, or if there's a brand, so let's open her up. One thing I do like is everything did come bagged, so even though the box was destroyed when I got it, everything should be good. Alright, this is just a Hanes men's polo shirt. I mean, it is branded, but if there's multiples, I can line them up, and that'll still be okay. See this? I can't see anything. This is another Hanes men's polo. Let's see if they're the same size. That's a small, and that's a large, so not the same size. So if we get multiples of the same size, then I can lot them up and do that. This looks like it might be my first unbranded. Let's see. So far, I don't think a lot of these are from Nordstrom, but oh, that's not unbranded at all. It's a pair of men's, I think men's Billabong shorts or board shorts. Recycler T Street Pro. Size 26. Yeah, board shorts. Those are cool. I like selling Billabong. Let's see. This is a Champion. Here's a Champion shirt, women's shirt. So far nothing super impressive, but so far also nothing unbranded, so that's good. Let's see, this is BB Dakota Steve Madden, and it's a woman's really super long maxi, I think that's what they call it, maxi skirt. So yeah, that's good. Let's see. Here's a brand I've never heard of. Let's see if it's actually got a tag on the inside and branded, because there are brands I don't know, Avi. So it's got a tag on it, but it does not have like a brand tag on the inside, so I'm thinking this is unbranded. But you guys tell me if it is or if it isn't. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's unbranded. This is the only tag that's on it. It looks like it's a romper, but that's what's on it. And yeah, just a pair of just a green romper. I'm pretty sure that's unbranded. What's this? Looks like Hilfiger. Yep, so the Tommy Hilfiger romper as well. This kids. Yep, I'm pretty sure this is kids. MSR, yep, girl size 4'6". Little blue and white patriotic romper thing. Okay. This is probably going to be a long video, so hope you guys are willing to stick it out to see if this is something viable for something to continue buying. Okay, this is Briggs. Pretty sure that's a brand. Women's just slacks or trousers. And I think it's plus size 16. So that is name brand. Let's see. Ooh, this has got some puppy dogs. It says it's onesies, so it's kids. Onesies brand. Okay. So it's just a bunch of little boys onesies. Package of 4. Yeah, it's onesies brand onesies. So cool, yeah, I can sell that. And I'll put all this away later. You guys don't want to see all that. Alright. This looks like it might be a dress. It's Max Studio. And it's just a nice white long dress. Size large. So I will say if there is anything on here that you guys see that you might want, just shoot me a message and we can get it to you. Looks like it's a pair of jeans. Oh, pair of Levi's. For men's, size Levi's is black, new with tags. Or actually it's new, but no tags. And size 32. Here is another Champion. This feels like a, yeah, it's like a Champion jogger. Actually, we'll just open everything up. Probably just do that. Open them all up. So this is a pair of Champion shorts. Size extra large, black. This looks like it's another unbranded. Yep, no brand. Oh wait, maybe. I was wrong. It's called Star Vixen. Size, says size 1X. Star Vixen, like shirt. Never heard of it. I feel like this might be a pair of Dockers. Oh, nope, it's just got a bunch of, unbranded Amazon Essential shorts. So, I mean, those I could probably still sell, but I don't know for how much. Looks like just a package of t-shirts, little kids t-shirts. Yep, Hanes boys t-shirt package. Like, I think it's 6 t-shirts in there. Definitely not Macy's stuff so far, but hey. The guy told me he was also going to throw in like an expensive scarf from somewhere, so we'll see if I can find that. This is unbranded, but it's just a pair of cute like tie-dye shorts, and I think it's got a shirt to go with it. Yep. Tie-dye shirt to go with it. It says size 2X. I mean, hey, if it fits, I might just keep that for myself. Looks like a pair of pants. Uncommon Threads. Is that a brand? I think it's a brand. I think I've heard other people unbox it. Yeah, Uncommon Threads. Pair of stripes. Women's slacks with an elastic waist. It says size MB, so medium. Oh, that's nice. So there's a pair of V-neck t-shirts from Gildan. The package, it looks like they all fell out. This is Danskin. Just a shirt. Danskin, size medium. Shirt. See, what's this? This looks funky. Look at, oh, that's funky. Let's open up that. I think it might be something for kids. Or is it a weird, okay. This is a Chucky hoodie. So it's a hoodie. It's a full zip. But the hoodie has Chucky's face on it. But it zips all the way up and then unzips. And it is Faux Real, F-A-U-X Real Chucky costume. Size large. Yeah. There you go. If you want to look like Chucky for Halloween, I got you. What's this? Another Amazon Essentials. Pair of just navy blue slacks. Size 38-30. Another one of those t-shirts from that package that fell out. This is a Good Threads XXXLT, so triple X LT Good Threads men's shirts, button-up shirt. This is called Pretty Garden. I don't know if that's unbranded. Let's see. So it's called Pretty Garden. And there is no, usually unbranded don't have like an inside tag. So this does not have like an inside brand tag. But it's called Pretty Garden. And it's just a really long maxi dress. It looks like it's a halter top. It's got this tie here to go around like that. Tie top. Really pretty. Let's see if the one tag on here says what size it is. Nope, no size. But it's cute. I would, if I had to guess, I'd say probably medium. Oh, and it has a little tie for the waist. Another pair of men's, or another set of men's Hanes boxers. Size medium. Champion t-shirt, size large. What is this? This looks like jammies. Or is it boxers? It is Fruit of the Loom men's pajamas, size large. Just some flannel jammies, and there's 2 inside. Try to go this through a little quick because we're already at 15 minutes and we're not even halfway done with the box yet. This is a 28 palms, never heard of it. Size extra large, men's button down shirt. This looks like a bra. Oh no, it's a main form t-shirt bra. Yeah, main form t-shirt bra, white. Don't know the size, sorry guys. Trying to go through this a little faster for you so we're not here for an hour. Looks like it's another unbranded dress. Like a little mini dress? Mini dress? Yeah, but there's no tags on the inside, so I don't know. This is a JMS, Just My Size by Hanes. It's a pair of like shorts, size 1X. Let's see, service card, instant lights. I like the ones that have these little zippers on here better. So much easier to open. Alright, what the heck is all this? Alright, this is unbranded. And it's inside out. But it's like a little... There we go. Like a little woman's pink nightie thing. And then it has a pair of shorts that match. And looks like there's 2 sets. So then there's like a pair of also pants to go with it that match. And is it a robe too? Yes, it's a robe also. Called ARWSER. Size extra large. And then this is just a nice pink robe, like a satin robe. So it's a whole entire big set. Oh, and of course the robe has that. Oh, my ankles are starting to fall asleep, guys. Ooh, here's a big old dress, pretty sequin dress. Let's see what this is. This is J. Cara. And it says this is size 12. 100% polyester. But it's got all that pretty beading on it. And then it's super long. All over the floor, nice big maxi dress. Size 12. This is a pair of men's, this pair of Dickies, or not a pair, Dickies men's polo shirt. It looks like it's a Hanes, just a package of t-shirts, size large. Another pair of Dickies men's loose fit cargo pants, straight leg, size 42-32. This is a crew t-shirt medium package of Gildan t-shirts. This is some brand I never heard of, but it has a thing in here, so I don't think it's unbranded. Berry U, B-E-R-R-Y-U. Just like a t-shirt, dress, also cute thing there at the bottom. Size extra large. pair of Fruit of the Loom women's 6-pack of briefs. Another Hanes men's briefs. Burt's Bees Baby. Oh, it's a Burt's Bees Baby receiving blanket. A package of boys shorts. Simple Joys by Carter's 4T. And there's, looks like 3 shorts in here. Another pair of men's tidy whities, size extra large, 7-pack. This is a Good Threads medium tall. Just a nice long sleeve shirt. This is a pair of men's Wrangler Authentics, size 46, looks like some khaki pants. This looks like a package of wife beaters. I'm not opening those. This is a Russell Athletic t-shirt, size large. Can't see what this is. This looks like, feels like something unbranded. Let's see. Yep, it's an unbranded woman's top. I mean, it's cute. Nice cute sleeves, but there's no brand or no size tag. Here's a men's Tommy Hilfiger just button-up shirt. This is a Moyaba. Just another t-shirt, material shirt, mini dress thingy, I don't know. Doesn't tell me what it is, and it doesn't say the size, so I'm not sure. Looks like a jean something. Oh, maternity. Rumor has it, size large, women's maternity jeans. My nose is so itchy. I wonder if this has something to do with this stuff here. This is an unbranded woman's dress, but it's pretty. It's got like this little detail at the bottom. But again, these things don't like tell me. Oh, it says size medium on this, but no brand. It's cute. Okay, this here. Fashion Yoga Fitness. Size large. Yoga Fitness. Yoga pants. So I'll look those up. I don't know if those are unbranded or branded. I've never heard of Yoga Fitness, but what's this? This is an LA Blanca, $114 retail price. Bathing suit. Size 10, black. That's actually really cute. This looks like another Amazon Essentials. Yep, I'm an Amazon Essential romper. This. Simple Joys by Carter's. Package is something for kids, but it's all packaged up and there's multiple, so I'm not going to open that and possibly lose them. This is a Hanes comfort something. A lot of Hanes and Gildan and Yacker sportswear, designed by Yacker, whatever that is, not sure. If there's any of these brands that you know and I don't, let me know. This looks like it's a kid's thing. There's no Cool My Sleigh, or Cool My, Cool My Sleigh skirt and t-shirt set for kids. This is another Good Threads woman's skirt, size extra large. This is a Mango Pop. Mango Pop, what are those things called? Yeah, bodysuit. Here's some little girls' little booties. There's no brand on them. What in the heck is this? Okay. Okay, well, whatever that is, it's ruined, so it looks cool. I have no idea what that is, so
Mom,
I'm still working.
Dad needs your truck keys.
Bunch of bralettes. They're in my purse, but I don't know where my purse is. They're in the kitchen or the bedroom. A whole entire big old bag of these. This is, oh, Starter brand. Woman's shirt. It's padded up here, so it's like a sports bra shirt. Feel it to believe it. Okay. Warner's, like a little training bra. Another Amazon Essentials women's shirt. Did you find it, Bill?
Yeah.
Okay. XL or 3XL. I have no idea. Magpul shirt. Thinking this unbranded, but not sure. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Probably it's like 10 or 15 maybe. I don't know. So far, I'm not impressed. What about you guys? You impressed? So far, I'm not impressed. Okay, I think this is a decent brand. Not sure how to say that though. Canoe, size 12. Like board shorts, women's board shorts. This is another Amazon Essentials. I don't know, maybe not. Oh no, Sean John. Men's like cargo shorts. Those are kind of cool, a little different. Looks like that might be the best thing out of here so far. I don't know. Well, that bathing suit, but it's not bathing suit season. Another just plain Hanes t-shirt. Alright, this is something funky, guys. So this is what it looks like. And no size, no brand, no nothing. That's just weird. This is another Amazon Essentials women's button-down shirt. Ooh, we actually have a jacket. Let's see what's in here. This is Charles River Apparel 5XL, guys. 5XL. That's like a rain jacket. So yeah, I mean, hopefully that'll sell. That looks like it's decent. This does not. This looks like it might be another one of those pajama sets. Yeah, it's just a really, really cheap material pajama set. I'm not even pulling that whole thing out. What's this? This is Vanity Fair. Just a Vanity Fair bra. Yeah. As you can tell, guys, I'm not impressed. Here is a pair of jeans. Pair of Levi's. Looks like boys' jeans. See, size 0X, short, waist 25, length 28, wedgie straight. That's, yeah. Pair of those. Okay. Oh, Tahari. Arthur Tahari. So that's a decent brand. It doesn't sell real great, but okay brand. So it's a dress. Size 14. Yeah, I don't see a price of what it was. Looks like that might be Tommy again. Oh, no, Nautica. So it looks like a Nautica women's like t-shirt dress, what it looks like. Nautica size, yeah, extra large. Pink t-shirt dress. Here is a Wilson hat. Some Bally bra, I think, a little bra. Here's a Girls Carter t-shirt. This is a Dickies size 4XL button-up shirt. This looks like it might be either a bra or it's a bra. And it is by Curve Couture. So it's a Curve Couture bra. Size 40H. So yeah, that looks like it might be decent. Here's a pair of Izod saltwater stretch stinky shorts, so it looks like. Size 38. A pair of Hanes Sport boxer shorts. Let's see. Some Bally capri yoga pants. Another bra by Smart and Sexy, 38A. That's pair of Adidas men's boxer shorts, size small. Pair of Adidas men's shorts. Here's a strap that goes to that bra. Another set of bras from Warner's. Another bra from, don't know. From Vanity Fair. Vanity Fair bra. I think that might be, nope, not the last thing. A couple more things. Some more 3-pack of Calvin Klein underwear, which actually has all 3 pair. This is a Hagar. Pair of Hagar dress pants. One more thing, I think. Pair of Delta ring spun Life is Better at the Campsite t-shirt. Just a package of, looks like women's shirts. I think this might be the last thing. I'm trying to dig through all these bags. And just another pair of women's Hanes size large shorts. Alright guys, that's everything. I'll count it up, see if it's 100 items. I'm not sure. There's definitely a lot more name brand stuff than there was unbranded stuff, but the branded stuff was not a whole bunch of Nordstrom and Macy's stuff, a lot of Hanes and lower end stuff, so I will hopefully be able to make my money back on these items, but I don't think I'm going to buy from these people again anytime soon. So that is all for today. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about all this. If you would have bought a box like this, or if you're going to check them out and try for yourself, let me know. And I will talk to you guys all later, and have a great weekend. Bye.